Are you wondering what Skool Community is and how it stacks up against other platforms? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'll break it down, explain how it works, and tell you if it's the right choice for you. Skool Community is essentially a platform that lets creators build online communities. It's designed to simplify how people interact, learn, and grow together. Whether you're running a paid course, coaching program, or membership community, Skool gives you the tools to engage your audience in one space. Next thing, let's talk about what makes Skool different. It combines the best features of a social network with a learning management system. While platforms like Facebook or Discord offer community features, they're not designed to support learning and structured content. Skool, however, is built for engagement with structured learning and content delivery. It offers posts, quizzes, and even a point system for users to keep track of their progress. Now, the fourth thing, it's all about community and connection. Skool lets members interact with each other through posts, comments, and chats. It's easy to create a sense of community, which is why it's ideal for creators looking to build a tight-knit audience. This kind of feature is essential if you want people to stick around, engage, and feel a part of something bigger. But here's where things get interesting. The platform is super streamlined, which is both a strength and a limitation. On one hand, it's incredibly user-friendly, and you won't get lost in a ton of unnecessary features. On the other hand, if you need highly customizable options, Skool might feel a bit too basic. Unlike competitors like Kajabi or Teachable, Skool doesn't offer the same level of detailed customization. This can be limiting if you're looking for advanced branding or unique user interface features. The sixth point, pricing. Skool is more affordable than some of the bigger players in the market. It offers a pretty competitive plan for creators who are just starting or scaling their online business. Compared to platforms like Mighty Networks or Thinkific, Skool is a more cost-effective option for those who just need core features without all the extra frills. The seventh thing to consider, Skool integrates well with other tools, making it easier to scale your business. Whether you're linking to your email provider or other software, you'll find it easy to connect and expand. But here's the catch: if you're focused on making a huge impact or need some powerful customization for your growing business, Skool might not have everything you need. It's not as comprehensive in terms of marketing automation or website building as platforms like Kartra or Kajabi. Now, here's where I'm going to be a bit critical. Skool Community is fantastic if you're just starting out or if you need a simple platform to manage a small to mid-sized community. However, if your goals include scaling fast or managing a lot of content, you might outgrow Skool fairly quickly. So, what's the alternative? Well, there are some platforms that offer better flexibility and features for creators looking for more than just community building. I'll be mentioning some of them shortly, and through our exclusive link, you'll get access to the best trials and special benefits for our viewers. Before you go, I want to mention that we've secured an exclusive, extended free trial for Skool Community through our link, which gives you full access to its powerful features. But if you're looking for a bit more flexibility or other advanced tools, don't worry. I've also listed some great alternatives that better align with your goals, and they come with free trials too. So, check out the link in the description and start building your community today.